simultaneously called Kravica, is a large tufa cascade on the Trebizond River in the karstic heartland of Herzegovina in Bosnia and Herzegovina. It is 10 kilometers 6 miles south of Ljubuški and 40 kilometers 25 miles south of Mostar. Kravica is a popular swimming and picnic area, and during the summer it is frequently visited by tourists from Mostar, Medjugorje and Dubrovnik. The best time of year for visiting is during the springtime when the fall is at its fullest and the arid landscape turns a bright green. I was here in July and the water was freezing cold but very refreshing. The 20 falls are stunning to witness live and are a very unique sight. This is definitely one of the most beautiful places in Bosnia and Herzegovina.